How many manifold jobs does this make for you?
9, I think we're at now.
9, and what, you've been working here a month?
Yep.
So this is an Avalanche with a 5.3?
Yeah.
And this was sent from one of our gas stations that we do quite a bit of work for. Somebody was in here. So he actually brought wires and spark plugs, and why is that? Because by the time you need exhaust manifolds on your LS engine, it's time for a tune-up. And you have to remove the wires to do the job, which usually...
If you already did the tune-up, you probably might need wires. They like to break.
Yeah. So,
That's nothing we can control.
and also driver's side motor mount,
Yep.
which makes sense why the driver's side mount manifold is off. And how many broken on this one so far? One?
One.
Yay, one broken!
But it was from heat, not me.
And then the last job Dylan did on his own vehicle, he broke the coolant temperature sensor.
Oops.
He said he works faster if I wasn't breathing down his neck.
Yep. Zoom, zoom.